Hi guys, today let's make some pepper gizzard and roasted plantain. This is my ripe plantain. I'm going to be roasting it using my air fryer. And then I have red bell pepper, my onion, my sweet onions, and my red onions. And then this is the gizzard here. I got it for $3.19 each one of it. This one is $3.06. It's being sold depending on the weight. So guys, this is the plantain. This is just me pouring it into the air fryer so that I can start roasting it. So let's wait for it to be ready. So guys, this is the red bell pepper and my ginger. I'm about to blend it right now. Also, this is the gizzard. I'm done washing it. I've added curry. These are my onions. I'm done chopping them. I'll be using curry powder, thyme to prepare the gizzard, my iodized salt, and then my bouillon. And here I have my habanero, my blended habanero. I normally do that so that it will be easier for me while cooking. Then I have my bay leaf. I'll be adding it on the gizzard, sorry. So guys, I'm done adding up all the spices I'll be using to cook the gizzard before using it to make the roasted plantain. So I'm going to be stirring up everything so that the ingredients can go around the gizzard. You just need to, while making this, you just need to check the quantity of gizzard you're making. That way you will know the quantity of ingredients you'll be adding. So I didn't list the particular amounts, like quantity of ingredients I added. Due to that, I just had to follow the quantity of gizzard I have. So while making yours, just know the quantity of gizzard you are making, then you know the ingredients you're adding up. So let's allow it to cook right now. So guys, this is the gizzard boiling. I've not added water in it. This is just the water that it's produced by itself. I've not added any water in it. Also, I'm done blending the red bell pepper. So okay guys, the gizzard is ready. I made sure all the water, like the gizzard absorbed all the water that was in it. So you can see it's ready. Let's dive into the main deal of today. So guys, I'll be using extra virgin olive oil. And I'll be adding my onions. At this point, you'll be adding up your blended red bell pepper. And then you stir together. You will stir until you make sure that the water in the red bell pepper dries off, just the way you used to fry your fresh tomatoes while making your sauce. So you allow it to dry up. So guys, I just added a curry. Let me add thyme. Say that. So let's wait. Step plantain. It's ready. Actually, my plantain ripened a lot. That's right. It seems as if everything is like gumming on each other. Guys, at this point, the red bell pepper is ready. It's time to start adding up our gizzard. I've not added salt and bouillon because I added in the meat. I want to be sure. Like after adding up the gizzard. I want to be sure that I don't I'm done adding up all the gizzard. So it's time to put the roasted plantain, roasted ripe plantain. So guys, this is it. I'm done adding both the roasted ripe plantain and the gizzard. This is it. Let's add our veggies. For the veggies, I'll be using this mixed veggies. You stir it up very well so everything will be mixed properly. Then you cover the pots. Cover it up and wait for some minutes and it will be ready. This our food is ready. It's time to dish out. So it's ready. Enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe.